Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Boxy Momma. This is a new subscription box. This is the second month. It's a pampering box for moms. They're themed assortments. They do have two different options based on budgets. So I'm going to just break that down right now for you. There's a mailer that has 2 to 4 items. It's $19.99 monthly. And then there is the monthly Mama box, which has 5 to 7 items and is $39.99 a month. It's free shipping. I do have a coupon code for half off your first box. It's Mamma Mia, and I'm going to put that down below. It's all caps, MOMMAMIA. This is the August box. It's a relax theme. And then there is the September theme is already up, and there's some spoilers. It's on the go box. So like for busy moms that are always on the move, that is going to be the September theme, which I think is a really cool idea. I love the packaging. It's super, super cute. And so you open it up, and here's one else. All right, so it says Mama Needs to Relax box. And then it has all our ingredients here, what's in the box. And then it does give us a retail value. Hey Mama, summer is coming to an end. School is just around the corner. Are you pulling your hair out yet? I sure am. I thought it was a great month to focus on relaxation. I spent hours trying to curate the perfect relaxation box for you. It's so important that you find time to relax, even if it is just for a few minutes. Mom needs mommy minutes. You devote your whole life to everyone else. Make sure you take some time for yourself as well. I hope these goodies give you a boost of relaxation, a smile, and a laugh. There is PG-13 language on some product packaging. This box is valued at over $85. Enjoy, Mama. Get your relaxation on. All right. So first we have these Do It Tomorrow Day socks. These are from Blue Socks. This is really nice. The quality is really nice. And these fit size 5 to 10, so almost everybody, right? Look at these, are so cute. This is me though, by the way. Super lazy sometimes. I was like, I'm not doing that right now. Not me, not now. Sorry. I think those are cute. All right. So, as seen on TV, instant control your family with the power of your mind. This is, Mentally Minty Mouth Spray. So this is a mouth spray. No costly brain implants, no illegal doping. Make your family do and say anything you feel like for less than the cost of a can of beans. It's not brainwashing if it's for their own good. So there's that. Let's do the retail values real quick. This is $6, and then the socks are $10. All right, then there's some coupons. Go Jewelry, $20 gift towards your next order, $40 or more. Mystic Mist, a coupon code for their essential oils. That was one of the spoilers. There is an essential oil bracelet and an essential oil in this box. So here we go. A bath bomb for kids. Smells like a locked door. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Oh no, a bath bomb for what kids? Meaning like, nope. Smells like a locked door. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Wine straight from the bottle bath bomb. So that's the name, Wine Straight from the Bottle. So it's going to have a fruity-ish smell. Smells like your water bottle. Smell like your water bottle. This is 7 ounce. I like this. I love the tongue-in-cheek, the funniness of it. The like, let's laugh about it, but also really let's do nice things for ourselves. All right. Enter to win. Give us a review on Cratejoy, Facebook, and or Google to win a special mini Mama box. 1 entry per review. So there you go. If you give them a review. All right. Next we have the Vintage Cosmetic Company Gel Bead Eye Mask. These are so nice. You can put these in. I don't know if you can put this one in the microwave. Sometimes you can put them in but I know you can put them in like the refrigerator or freezer. It depends on the actual eye mask. And just relax with this in your eyes. Isn't it nice? Isn't that a nice idea? Doesn't that sound good? All right, moving on. Here, I'm guessing this is our, some sort of, I don't know, actually. Oh, let's look at the retail value of those. The bath bomb is $9, and then the eye mask is $7. And so what's in here is, this is our lava stone bracelet. So I don't remember if they were all these colors. I don't remember seeing, but they're little. And then you have your lava stones. There's little pretty glass beads. And then you've got your lava stones over here. So you put your essential oils on there and you can relax all day. My son is playing in his room. Let's find the essential oil. So this essential oil blend is $9.50. So I'm guessing it's going to be a relaxing scent. Just a guess. Yeah, this is Calming Blend Essential Oil Roller from Mythic Mist at Etsy.com. Ooh, it's lavendery. It's a nice oil. And it's got the metal ball, which I love. All right, moving along, guys. We got a little pin. Oh, I got that on my hands now. We got a little Boxy Momma pin, which I think these are super cute. Look, it's just a little fox. I like that. All right, then we got Mommy Needs a Minute Body Scrub. This is huge. This is how many? 9 ounces. Smells like lime. This is retails for. It's from, by the way, it's from Pure Bliss Body Confections and retails for $8. And then our final item is this little shower steamer. Ooh, and it's eucalyptus. This is from Lizush. I've had items from them before. They're really incredible. They're like bath bombs and stuff like that. So, but this is a shower steamer. If you're not familiar, put it in your shower. As the water hits it, it puts out it's the same idea as a bath bomb in essence. And eucalyptus, I love eucalyptus. This retails for, can I find it? $4.50. So this is an awesome box. $100 in value, $39.99. Free shipping, amazing themed assortments. This makes a perfect gift, even if it's for you. I'm going to link down below to my full review. I will also link to Boxy Momma, so if you want to check them out and all that. And I'll put the coupon code down below as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time.